Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Post. On this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of a Bluetooth headset by Eyeball. So let's unbox it and see what this box contains. So at first, here is written Nano Airwear T9 V210. Here is written something specifications and the wireless music 28 bar. Here is an Eyeball. This is an Eyeball Bluetooth headsets. Here is written some specifications, features. You can see BT wireless in-ear headset with mic. You can read everything. Built-in rechargeable battery. We can charge through USB. There's some specifications. BT specification B4.1. I think this is the range and dimensions. Weight only 3 gram. Control power on, off, play, pause, call. In the box you can read. I bought it from local market. It cost only rupees 1000 and the retail MRP is 1299. So let's unbox it and see. It's very simple and tiny, as you can see. As you can see, this is the headset. Here's the charging port, and as you can see, the button. You can receive call, pause, music, play music. You can do everything in this mini button. So nothing to see. In the headset. So this is a user manual guide. So to carry this Bluetooth headset, they have given a case also. This is the case. Here we'll get one USB charging data cable and 2 earbuds to change this. So nothing to see. The box. You can carry this one. It's nice. So nothing to see. It's very, you can see it's an Eyeball, and it's very shiny device. It's tiny and shiny. So you can see the manufacture date is June 2018. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe and comment down. Thank you. Thanks for watching.